Hey everyone, welcome to Net Nimble. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to permanently ban a TikTok account. Let's get started. First, open the TikTok application on your phone. You'll land on the TikTok homepage where you can browse reels and videos. If you want to report an account, tap on their username to visit their TikTok profile page. Once you're on their profile, go to the top right corner and tap the share icon. It looks like an arrow pointing right. Here, you'll see sharing options along with additional actions. Scroll down to the bottom and tap Report. Now tap Report Account to flag the account to TikTok. Select the reason why you're reporting this account. For example, pretending to be someone, user could be under 13 years old, inappropriate profile info, or something else. For now, I will select user could be under 13 years old. Once you've selected your reasons, tap Submit at the bottom to send your report to TikTok. Your report has been successfully submitted. TikTok will review the account and take action if they find violations. You can also block the account from this screen to prevent them from interacting with you or seeing your content. Tap Done when finished. Important note: reporting an account doesn't guarantee it will be permanently banned. TikTok reviews each case individually based on their community guidelines. And that's how you report a TikTok account. If this tutorial helped, like and subscribe to Net Nimble for more TikTok safety and account management tutorials. Thanks for watching.